back to my channel. So today I thought it would be nice to film like this. And for today's video is a summer room decor video. The things that I DIY, I didn't really put any summer theme into it, but you can definitely make it more summery by changing the colors and putting different pictures out. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. For the hanging pictures on string DIY, I don't know what you call it, but anyways, I'm taking some small clothespins and decorating it by using washi tape, and later on also painting it. Then I took the other half and stuck it onto another clothespin. As I said, I painted the other clothespins. After I decorated all clothespins, I took this twine string and measured out its length. Because the twine string is too thick, I separated the strings so the clothespins can hang onto it properly. Taped the ends, and after that decorated the taped ends with washi tape. Hang on your pictures and it'll look something like this. For the second DIY, you'll need a glass bottle and some dried flowers, which you can get from hanging plants upside down for a week. Anyways, I thought it'll be fun to spray the perfume from my second vlog into the bottle to make it smell nice. I shake them and let it sit for a while. Then got out the flowers that I want. Cut them shorter. And then I just played around with how it'll look inside the bottle. Here I realized that the flowers are way too tall, so I had to cut it down and start all the way again. To be honest, this DIY is pretty self-explanatory, so it is probably just an idea on what you can do when you're bored. Anyways, this is how my bottle flower turned out. For the final DIY, it seems very easy, but it took me a while. So first I had to cut the washi tape down into halves because it was way too thick to create the geometric shapes. So then I just created multiple triangle-like shapes, like what I'm doing right now. And the most obvious part is to paint it.
Will you love me tomorrow? Don't say goodbye, don't leave me alone. So baby, pull me closer. Just take a chance before it's gone. Only you make me wanna.
At first I used the metallic colors, but I found it too bright, so I added some black, which instead the black popped out. Once you're done with the painting, here comes the most satisfying part. Well, I ended up with this, so haven't used that in a while. That's it guys for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the button down below if you want to watch my future videos. Bye!
Just stay the night, don't take me home.